guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing something that I haven't done before. I have reviewed products before, I guess, but these products were actually sent to me by a company called Beautybigbang, and I was looking at their website when they reached out to me. A lot of their products, or most of their products, all of their products are very affordable, but I also have a coupon code that I'll put in the description below for 10% off, so you can check out their website. There's a lot of products that have been reviewed already if you're kind of skeptical on these kind of things. But I will also give you my honest opinion on these products today. The two that I am reviewing today are a little mini eyeshadow palette and then a matte lip crayon. They also sent me these little nail art things that I will do in another video for you, hopefully sometime this week or next week. But let's just get right into the video. By the way, I already have a little bit of foundation on and some mascara, my eyebrows done because I did have something that I was booked for this morning. So normally I wouldn't put mascara on before eyeshadow, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Because I don't want to take off my makeup, I'm too lazy. And if you can't tell that I sound like a frog, I've been sick again this week, so yeah, I haven't been in the mood to do anything that's not lazy. So here is the eyeshadow palette, and these are the colors in this one. They have a bunch of different ones like this with different color patterns. These, hopefully they show up okay on camera, but there are a lot of like neutrals, and there's some shimmers, some mattes. These colors are very peachy, which I've been into a lot lately, so I'm excited about that. And then the lip crayon. This is in the shade 08 Fuzzy Wuzzy. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the crayon. I'll link these specific products in the description as well, so that if you like the way that this look turned out and you want to buy these two for yourself, then you'll be able to very easily. I really don't know what look I'm going for today, so we're gonna have to just go with the flow here. I think I'm going to start with this tan color right here to give it a base. I do put moisturizer on my eyelids, so I want to put a neutral color on so that the other ones will blend a lot better and not stick to the moisturizer at all. Take a fluffy brush. I've had Christmas songs stuck in my head this week for some reason. I don't know why. By the way, if you can tell my nose is peeling, yeah, that's because I've been sick, so sorry that it looks disgusting. Nothing I can do about it right now. I know this color probably doesn't show at all on camera, but from what I noticed so far, it does seem like it's very smooth. It's not chalky at all, which is very important to me because I'm not about chalky eyeshadows. I don't think anyone is. That's really annoying when they do that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a small blending brush and this darker peachy shade right here. I feel like these are a little bit more colorful in person, but not much, so it's pretty much true to what you see on here. I don't know. But anyway, if you do like the way that this turned out, you can take a look at their website and see the true colors of these eyeshadows. So I'm putting that one in the crease and blending it out a lot. To give my eyes a rounder look, I've been doing this on the top part of my crease rather than like right in the middle and blending down. I feel like it just makes my eyelid look a little bit bigger, and it gives me more room for more eyeshadow. I'm gonna go back in after with a bigger blending brush to make sure I can buff that out a lot better. Okay, first impression of this shadow. It's very pigmented and it's really pretty. I honestly love this so far. I think this is going to be one of my go-to little palettes, and it's so easy to carry around in your purse or whatever, you know, if you don't want to pack a lot when you're traveling and going on vacation. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the lighter shade that I started with on a bigger blending brush and just get a little bit of that and go over what we just did so that I can buff out the edges. If I need to darken it up later, I will. This just helps to soften it up and make it not look so bright and intense. I mean, nothing wrong with bright and intense, but I'm not feeling bright and intense today, you know? Alright, now what? I really can't decide. I think I'm gonna go in with a combination of these two colors. So this more bronzy, like, right there, sparkly shade right there, and then the one that I just put in the crease. Just mix those two together. works. Brightens it up a little bit. I think I'm just gonna go in with the orange color first, and then I'll put the sparkly one over it. Whoa. See, they're very pigmented. I don't see a lot of fallout though, which is good. It's not getting all over my face. Now, going in with the sparkly one. There's one eye. Okay, I really do love this palette so far, and it'll go great with a lot of other colors and other palettes that I have as well. And it's cool because not only can you do a very peachy orange kind of look like what I'm doing now. There's like browns and a purpley color. There's a lot of neutral colors, so it doesn't have to be this vibrant and bright, you know? Didn't I just say I wasn't trying to be that bright? I'm going to take the lightest shade in this palette now, and then pop that right on the center to brighten it up a little bit. That'll also give your eyes a rounder appearance, and then I'll put it on the inner corner as well, and possibly for a highlight, and then we'll see how it looks from there. Oh, I just stopped myself. It's pretty nice. Okay, I think I'm going to take a little bit of the darkest orangey color and then put it under my waterline a little bit, just to even it out. I forgot to do my eyebrow highlights. That didn't sound good. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for my eyes today. I haven't been wearing eyeliner that much lately, and I'm too lazy to do it, if you couldn't guess that already. But you can also use the darker brown shade in here for a subtle, like smoky, soft eyeliner. There's a lot of possibilities in this tiny little palette. Look, it's like way smaller than my face. So that's all I'm doing on my eyes, but let me swatch it on my arm so that you can see. And this is just with one swipe. I'm not gonna go back and like darken each one. I want to show you guys what the true color is. Lyric, what do you want? She wants to be in my video. Okay, here are the swatches. It honestly looks so much more pigmented in person, but my camera does not want to cooperate right now. This one right here is the one that I put on first as a base, so obviously you can see that it doesn't show much on my skin at all. I don't even know if that shows on camera at all. In person, it looks like a very, very, very subtle color. So I love these. I think they're very pigmented, they're very high quality, and they're very affordable. All right, now I'm gonna try out this matte lip crayon thing, and we'll see how it works. I normally love these kind of things because they're just easy and they usually feel kind of like chapstick, which I'm obsessed with chapstick. I'm very, very, very picky with lip products. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. What? That was the weirdest meow ever. Once again, this is very pigmented. Lyric is literally getting into a box of beer from the Super Bowl yesterday. What are you doing? She's trying to party. I feel like this really matches my eyeshadow. Kind of crazy. Normally I wouldn't wear a lip color that matches my eyeshadow like that, but you know, this is just for the purpose of reviewing the products for you. I think that this is awesome. It feels really moisturizing, it goes on smooth. Since I've been sick, my lips have been chapped, my skin has been dry, and all of these products have gone on really smooth and beautiful. Thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate you being here more than you will ever know, I promise you that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on my post notifications if you want to know when I post my videos. You don't have to do it, but if you want to know, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember to check out the description below so that you can see the coupon code and check out their website. I think that this is a great company. They're very affordable. I love it. I'm really excited to do this. I don't know where I left off. But I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!